Alright, so the rotisserie chicken, that's from Walmart. Macaroni, mashed potatoes, and the rice is from Market Street. I haven't eaten it before, so I'm gonna try it. The broccoli, that's what I cooked a few days ago. So let me test out these sides and see what it tastes like. Yeah, man, so the lights are off because I'm watching this new movie on Netflix called Tear It. So just started the movie, but yeah. So again, the broccoli I made, the rice is from Market Street, macarons from Market Street, mashed potatoes from Market Street. The rotisserie chicken I got from Walmart. So I was hungry, man. I said it's 10:18. All I had to do, 10:18 p.m. and all I had to eat today was a grapefruit. So I was hungry. I wanted to try something new. I highly recommend it. If you're looking for something that's not, I can't have high salt diet, so nothing really tastes like extremely salty. It honestly just tastes like home cooked meal. That's what I like. So now I know I can just get some food at Market Street. And it's similar to Whole Foods. I went to Whole Foods, but I didn't really get anything there. But it's my first time eating the Market Street. I actually prefer this. Home cooked meal. Not like extremely unhealthy like you find in the fast food restaurants or anything like that, I would imagine. So I'm having a good time. I'm enjoying it. I recommend it. Just the Market Street hot food. That's all this is. So, but if you're looking for some extremely good restaurant food, that's not what it is. But you need something to eat. You're out in the middle of nowhere and there's a Market Street nearby. Here you go. Market Street, if you want a promo, like I said, contact me. Let's make the deal. Let me get back to it.